Weather first, we've got a beautiful night here on the hill. Winds have been coming in southeast, breezy at times to make it a nice little evening. Temperature-wise, it's still warm, but not too bad at 83. The wind will always help, even though it's only 10 miles per hour, 59-degree dew point. Today's highs, we should be stopping at 89. We went all the way to 93 in the city, 97 Floresville, San Marcos, Austin, but 98 at Gonzales, which again, all week long, we've been seeing warmer temperatures to the east, which is typically the more humid air. And remember, when you have more humidity, you have more evaporation. Evaporation is a cooling process. So typically temperatures don't go as high, but that's what's happened out west, where the air is typically drier. So it's a bit of a temperature anomaly to see Uvalde at 92, Del Rio at 93, and then Gonzales at 98. Seguin at 96 and Floresville at 97, but it's been that case all week. All right, so you put up our 93 against the average of 89 and the 100-degree record from just 2019, 1981's record low of 46. Boy, doesn't that look good? 46 as opposed to 71. Speaking of looking good, through the lens of camera extraordinaire. Photographer extraordinaire, Sonia Pruski, KENS 5 eyewitness down in Somerset, capturing a beautiful sunset on the ranch. I just love that picture. That says Texas. Thank you, Sonia. High pressure is going to slide west, and then we're going to see a disturbance roll in from the north. Now, here's what's interesting. The models are now pushing this yet another day back. You know, and again, these are global models, so we can't really rely on them 100% just yet. We'll start fine-tuning this forecast over the weekend for rain chances on Tuesday, Wednesday. If you remember, earlier this week, I was thinking Monday, Tuesday. Then I started thinking Tuesday, Wednesday. And what I'm about to show you is showing us maybe it's going to be Wednesday, Thursday. All right, so here's the 10% chance that's going to be in the Sunday forecast of a few sea breeze showers. This energy doesn't really come together on Monday. Again, a slight chance. Tuesday looks relatively quiet. Then this rain comes down, but look over my shoulder. That's Wednesday into Thursday now that we've got the best widespread coverage on this rain. We're still not looking at a whole lot. I mean, in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the way through Thursday, it's probably going to add up to about half an inch of rain altogether for the city and metro. We're not looking at a lot of rain or any kind of, torrential downpours, but just some scattered showers. Gulf and Caribbean quiet, and Gabrielle remains relatively weak on tropical storm status. 1,004 millibars of pressure. Northwest progress at 12 is expected to continue. And just a glancing blow for Bermuda, becoming our second hurricane of the season. Could be a Cat 2 in the northern Atlantic. From San Fernando, we've got 95 to 96, the remaining days of summer. And then the rain chance, 30 to 40% Tuesday into Wednesday. But maybe it's going to push into Thursday. We'll be watching. First day of fall, Monday, the 22nd. Get ready for a hot weekend. Get ready for more hot highlights on the other side of the break.